July thon teni diringa ta yang news chapter jik start chuchino democracy in action hala teni inang ko nga ta discuss chuchino universal adult franchise school teni election political parties role of oppositions kun school sal teni ngati country hala country nang ko election bo conduct jono every 5 years ina hala chief jono na to form a government jik form chuchisifia every 5 years ina election conduct jono so election e time ka teni political parties mamang poji khoraun camping jono sto khoraun candidates ngone fia hala teni e campings ngun jono rallies jono hala teni e zungun chi fia necessary enough to hala country nang kwa ki fresh election general election ji few years sisting ni chi fia chano sto sale universal adult franchise tani ngani chapter ngata democracy cho thala to chiga bezut pinjina universal adult franchise ka bezut pin matlab kichi no suna right to vote hala vote tang se hak so yu kyakna ka to adult citizen ngati country nang ko cham adult citizen yot uto sangmala vote tang se hak kut kyakta tan son chang khone ka discriminate me da hala discriminate facious myth pa so religion jigindo region caste sex then property language educational qualification oto changme ka masta teni changmala adult citizen changma chu kyakna vote tang se hakut kyakse tan so teni value hala vote value citizen changme hala chupo indo ya nyalwa chanindo hala silkhan jigindo ya masilkhan jigindo pomegindo putegindo khoni vote value wo chi kyakna ka to same yot kya zatan sole India nang kwa halaka zuk level ka government representative shildam chi jona te thangma chi ka depend kya sana universal adult franchise ka depend kya sto tene India nang kwa citizen cham ji go thalaka la 18 years chat na khato te la chi kya sana vote tang se hak kya sana sol tene universal adult franchise principle ji follow chot kya ka ve nang kwa one person one vote hala मतलब कि सिटीजन छंगमला तिने इलेक्शन ए टाइम का वोट रे कास्ट जो से हक के नो वोट रे तंग याना नो तो हला तिने ई प्रिंसिपल वो चीफ एस्टेब्लिश जोस्त नो चीफ जोस्त नो जना का तो पॉलिटिकल इक्वालिटी वो इंश्योर जो से फे श्योर जो से फे कि पॉलिटिकली छंगमला डंडा हक तंग से हला वोट रे तंग से फे a principle wo jostenos no sal teni e democratic government chong ensure chet kya ki on a democratic government people mun responsible nena kya zatan sale election e time ka teni citizens mun free kya khala vote tang se fya khuranguni political candidates yang nang ko ni policies khuranguni choice policies mun Taste tene vote tang yana no stok swale kon citizens kon free no khala so vote tang khorang uni margin no swale teni onna choksla teni nga tangai ngati I choksla khala vote tang ste teni nga tangai government ji form chu chi sifia participate chuste no stok khala teni yang nga tangai chi jono sna ote government chi glass shot otu uni ka nga tangai chi jono control bor no stok swale teni government ji kaltis peoples uni fia last jomet na khato hala last chomen da to tini nga ta sting me ka kaltis I time ka government yut khan ni people nguni fia last chomen da to tini nga ta chi chono zena kha vote ta ma no khala vote ma ta tini otyo government khora nang ni government jik form chungya na mano khala kaltis kha vote ma thum na to kha government jik form chungya na mano khal o choksla people nguni laga yut kyak ki kaltis khoni limo juste last ma chuna nga ta vote ta ma no khala obviously no sal Ate choksa teni election bonga ta o chos procedure na stas teno ka wanang ko pupils mun free kya khala free will jing nang yam pokhara election vote po tang yana nok teni yang khoni teni elected government jigang election khala teni teni khoni chi chono zena political education jing ta nos tom people mun la hala teni India nang kwa teni lok sabha youth kya state legislative assembly youth kya khala teni local bodies youth kya count municipal corporation municipal communities mun teni zila parishad panchayat samitis gram panchayat I thangme nang kong chu kya zena elected representative rig youth kya sto sal tini nga ta silchezino election processes kola tini oteno ko future series youth kya otones kola silchezino election commission of india tini election commission bo independent body ji no halakaun khoni responsible buchi no sina free nang fair election ji conduct chu no halatini commissioner head post no sina chief election commissioner no san teni I commission ni chi jot kya sana fix jot kya khala yang khoni date mun election ni date mun announce jot kya pura country nang ko teni tyo start kya ki election bo hala properly izuk chara chamru proper manner nang ko held chara chamru demo justi election bo dul do mir go to sang start kya tani yang khoni voter ji gang prepare jot kya khala list pingat kya tani constituencies ngun determine jot kya karu constituency joshis du go to sang start kya khala tani yang political parties mun recognize shot kya tani khonla symbols rik tangat kya khala tani I political parties nang candidates hunla court rigang conduct jot kya to I thangma suila sino zina election commissioner re la sino zito sale election process tene I electoral process bo start chat kya khala namji I duration bo assembly duration bo chara jingna bo expire cha jingna bo matlab ki particular time period chigut kya khala otyo ga chingna ngam puchi chat kya zana I assembly wa dissolve chat kya so tene president ni chi chot kya zana notification ji issue chot kya khala tene I constituencies un bote khonste tene member ji elect jos hala I certain date ka zite date chi kya so sole ote date ka I constituency sinang ni member rig elect jos te sa tene ote date po sui recommend chot kya zena election commission ni elect izuk recommend chot kya so date po tene I electoral process po I notification bo issue jos testing bo ni tene electoral process shik start chat kya zitano sole constituencies hala teni I lok sabhi election ifya teni country wo chi chono zana divided into constituencies hala constituencies sinang kwa divide chono hala small division ji chano so teni I constituencies wo chi no zana ga to I geographical area ji no ka wenang kuni candidate representative rik elect chono hala teni I constituencies won kazugi create chono zana ga to population size la taste chonos no hala ka jaga population mangpo yodna ote constitution nang chi kyasana mangpo yo nos no hala teni kaltes population nyun jig mani med na to teni ote nang ko constituency sang chi kyasana nyun mani yo manos no sale teni I constitution sunguni nang ko representative re electionos to no sale teni teni yang reserve constituency shingang youth kya kala ka winang ko ti candidates ngono no kaun schedule caste in schedule tribes in te un teni I election contest nang ko yonche sifia kon ne fia seat mun reserve poranos no sale selection of candidates hala teni I candidates kun election contest fia langshi sifia teni hala candidates kaun indi citizen ji ko sanok so ale teni 25 age yang na oti 25 sang above age kan ji ko sanok so ale teni yang khongun teni criminal izuk shigna yang po relate yong samano hala criminal case rikonika yong samano so ale I election ifia langshi sifia candidates langshi sifia hala teni inang ko election commission teni announce no last date ka winang ko khoni nomination paper jik fill chon oti last date po election commission announce no sole teni yang party candidates ka party candidates na independent candidates na te candidates bola je no ka political parties sujing na ya po del me thala otiola independent candidates te jena no sole teni khonguni I nomination form bo yang paper bo fill choste teni I election commission date chita to kya khote sanga la tango sano suteno khala teni i izukun tene usually hala i candidates nguni mingun political parties nguni announce shono suteno swale tene i candidates ngun tene kon nang kon hak chigut ke hala kon lang candidates ngun la hak chigut ke ki korang nguni ote nominees ngun withdrawal chuna things de khong nang yana no ote date sangala given date sangala tene ote izukun nomination form ngun things de khong nang diga no suteno scrutiny halatini inanko officer in charge yukya kauni conduct yukya election mo hala constituency nanko tulo chize no na returning officers te zira no sale tene I nomination papers kon count candidates kuni submit just yut otumul demo justi hala carefully tene khoni check justi tene oti returning officers nang khoni teams kuni demo justi oti papers kun check chano so sale tene I nomination papers kun kaltis information kun incorrect yod na kato hala tene oti un declare chono invalid declare chono so sale tene oti kal demo justi stasti oti nomination papers kun demo justi stasti tene returning officer re tene candidates nguni list ngun publish chono hala kaun alag alag constituencies ni in soale tene allocation of symbols tene election commission ni tene symbols rigdan ke khala independent candidates nang political party se candidates ngunla symbols rigdan ke sto tene I symbols ngun tanga ching nang po tene election commission ni tyo make sure chot ke ki hala yang political party ngis yang na independent candidates nguni izuk ngun symbols ngun zoks minu ga zob saminu hala oto na check chot ke sto taki kalte zobs na chi chanong le mi un confusion hala tene voter ngun mislead chano chikche dang che jin na yang chikche songstano khala oti fiala symbols kun alak tu mi rukte unna make sure chot kek zitano swale tene ika image kan ngun political parties ngun symbols no swale tene election manifesto hala tene political parties kuni release no korang uni manifesto rik swale election time ka tene election manifesto matlab ki khone outline yang na program na policies rik just youth ke khala political parties kuni tene kaltis khon power ina yung na katu tene khone ote te last kun chwat te khone zera no to for example ta political party shigi hala khorang uni manifesto tuk shikona khato ki highways train halangai highways train college shik setup train ya school mun high level ka khirin chite o chong manifesto yo ta khato example in sole teni ote sukuni teni voters kuni chi chono sana ote political parties mula judge chono hala yang object observe chono ki khone ote manifesto nang kwa chi chono sana people mula political parties muni views chi in khone samsul buchin hala agi khone chi choche se chahat yut oto thangma national nang international issues muni ka chi step rignen che sin oto thangma pura chi chono sana voters muni dulna pura no hala tene voters kuni stano ki oto fulfill chosto ma chosto khone zirkani las kon dupsto ma dupsto oto stano sutano sole tene campaigning gochi no suna process ino khala ka venang ko candidates muni try chono ki khorang muni tha ke izugun voters kun khongche sala attract cha chukches voters kun to kazu chono suna ka to khoni odinang ko meeting rik chono hala speech rik tangano tene display banners rik display chono so to sale I campaigning ngun nam stop chat kya sana I polling che sangal la stop chat kya polling che sang ngal la ya 2 days singal la yang na 48 hours se sang ngal la I campaigning ngun ban chat kya zutano swale polling त्यो camping is thing boni polling ono swale teni voters mun ka re chano jana I polling booth la chano hala मतलब कि ती जगह वो का वो voting if you vote yo otyo la chi jano jana polling booth jite jana no hala ote nang ko sonte teni chi jono jana khorang uni vote mun cast jono hala ta no secret ballot nang yam po swale teni I person changma ka uni ming un voter list ka yot utungun teni songte hala polling booth la songte khorang uni I voter photo yang na identity card trik tanti korang ni vote ngun cast chung yana nok tang yana nok no san tini gates photo na identity card ngun khutio na tini otika duty khani pupils mula help chano ki hala suji ki chit joste mano suji ki yang chik chiki chabo onna vika vote tangs te mano ate thangma ta pata chano sto photo na identity card khutio na hala ngan time jani tini ballot box bu use shot kya vote tang se fia hala tini election bo chap chara jing nang po I ballot box ngun tini seal chot kya no ban joste tini counting station la khira kya no sal since 2014 inang ko tini electronic voter machine yang na EVM sikan bo use shot kya no sal country na place ma mo pojina I izupo EVM bo use shot kya no hala tini EVM se chi chono zena nga time bo save chat kya hala election bo smoothly dulat kya so teni simple process shi gyo kya no I vote mun count chu jese process po ma simple gyustyo kya no sale counting and declaration of the result teni vote mun counting chono hala jaga jika ote jaga bo chut kya tena pura security arrange just yut kya teni ote day jik fix chut kya suile election commission in day jik fix chut kya hala ote day jaga teni elections kun count chut kya count just jaga pura security arrangement just yut kya no sal teni counting center bo function chono hala under the supervision of returning officer supervision inang kwa tini counting center bo counting center ka last sik kya no tini khong last shot kya khala young officers kun la ya to twin jik swal tini candidates nang khone authority agent ngun tini hole nang ko yong yan nat kya swal counting I time ka khon hole nang ko yong yan nat kya no su te candidates nang tina authorities agent ngun swal tini process ngun counting process po chara jing nang yam po tini returning officer declare shot kya khala winner mingbo winner candidates mingbo count la vote po ma thopsti yu thala otoni mingbo as a winner name bo announce shot kya zatan swale teni election petition to hala kathis candidate chika doubt yu na ka to hala use unfair method chika doubt yu na yang na election process bina cheating jik song zite zera na ka to teni khoni hala high court na song te file jik appeal chuang yana no swale kavenang ko khona fresh election fair orders chung yana no kathis hala EVMs ngun destroy song te do yang na loss song te do store te me tap chani tini khoni yang gomani election fresh election jik orders chung yana no swale tini diring ina chupa borin tirale sujiga chi hamago yodna district rale thank you